Hello there, welcome to our tutorial. Today we'll be setting up VTP version 3 and GNS3 on our two switches here, well between them. VTP, known as Virtual Trunking Protocol, basically allows for propagation of VLANs automatically between switches. So without further ado, once our switches come up here, we'll get started. Of course, you'll need GNS3 set up. Packet Tracer, unfortunately, at least to my knowledge at the current date and time, does not support VTP version 3. So yeah, to really sink your teeth into it, and for a lot of more advanced configurations, I think it's worth taking the hour to set up GNS3. If even an hour. I mean, they've really simplified the process recently. So, something to think about there. But, yeah, once you do have the environment set up, you're going to want to decide on a domain name, a domain password, who you want to be your primary, and maybe define some VLANs. So, let's start though by jumping into these fresh switches, and we will start to configure VTP. Alrighty. Go enable, configure terminal, VTP domain, and let's do Rubble Brub. Can you work with me? There we go. Rubble Brub Corp. We'll do a VTP version 3. Let's do a VTP password, and we'll do right. And since we're here, we might as well set up the VLANs. VLAN 10, name management. Whoops. Oh. VTP configuration is not allowed when this device is not the primary. Okay, so let's get that set up. VTP primary for VLANs. Beautiful. Okay. Let's see, I think we're there. So back to defining our VLANs, we have VLAN 10, call that management, VLAN 20, accounting, VLAN 30 is going to be sales, VLAN 40, let's change it to, no, I will stick with the prompt, we'll call that null, and VLAN 50 is going to be for marketing. Alright, and we'll save that config. Let's come back to our other side. As of now, we should have no VLANs, so let's see. Good, because we still need to do our VLAN configuration. VTP domain, paste that in there. VTP version. VTP mode, I just want transparent, or no, client, meaning that we're not server, we cannot make VLANs, we can only receive them. Beautiful, beautiful. And yeah, VTP password. Alright, I think we should have all we need. Let's see. I think we are missing the trunk interface. Let's just check our VTP status. Client, we're running version 3, and yeah. So let's get our trunk set up. Go to interface gig 0/0, turn on encapsulation.1q, and we'll set this as a trunk port. And we'll do the same thing on switch 1. Go into interface 00. We will set it as .1Q encapsulation and make sure it's a trunk port. Alright, so then if we do a show trunk, we should, what's it doing? That's not what I want to do. Show interface trunk. We should see our 00 on there and allowing all VLANs to come over. Beautiful. And if we do a show VTP status on here, if I could spell, yep, primary. We're on revision 6, and let's see if that matches on the other side. Show VTP status. Show VTP status. Revision 6. Alright, let's see how many VLANs we have. Nice. So yeah, that is just about that. Let me see if I have anything else to offer. Not really. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. That concludes our video on how to set up VTP on a Cisco switch. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to read the article. All these steps are plainly laid out, but I figured it might be helpful to also see it. Thanks, everyone.